Hello dear students, we are going to continue with the chapter Displacing Indigenous People, and today we are going to talk about the natives of Australia. And there is often a question which is asked why in history the Australian natives were left out or were kept in dark. So we will quickly discuss about that as well. You know, Australia was discovered by Captain Cook in 1700 AD, and it was assumed that the history of Australia began with the discovery of Captain Cook. But later on, Captain Cook was killed by the natives of Hawaii. And this, killing of Captain Cook has been seen as a very, very rigorous, agitated, violent act by the colonizers. And they used this single incident to justify that the natives of Australia are very, very violent. Although the natives had a tradition of their own language, like all the natives which we have already spoken about and you might have heard, but like them also, the Australian natives, they never had a written script. And no written material was available for them, for like the people like us or the historians to refer to. And most of the early settlers in Australia were convicts who, when in Britain, especially in England, when the people of England and Britain, they were convicted, they were deported in Australia. And when their jail term ended, when the punishment used to get over, they were allowed to live as free people in Australia on a condition that they will not return back to Britain. So, this with no recourse but to make life for themselves in a land which is so different from their own. Later on, these people, these convicts, they had or they felt no hesitation about ejecting natives. So what did they do? So they tried to establish themselves in the land of Australia by thrashing the natives or by ejecting the natives to the corners. And this created an atmosphere of hatred, or you can say mutual suspicion between the settlers and the natives. And as European settlers always in other countries also, they regarded the natives as uncivilized. So, the historians or the people, they might have thought that the natives are not worth writing about. So, they never wrote anything about the Australian natives. Slowly, in the 19th and 20th centuries, you will be very surprised to know that nearly 90% of natives died by exposure to germs, and they also by the loss of their lands and resources in the battles against the settlers. And the settlers, they had this attitude, they always felt that the natives of Australia are primitive man. Primitive means I have explained in the class also, and we have studied in chapter 1, though it got deleted later on. We have studied that primitive man means the ape, the monkeys. So the Australians were treated as primitive man, and the attitude of the settlers was somewhat like that this primitive man deserved to die out. So most probably this is the reason they were not included even in the history books until 1974. And in the year 1974, the fear of dark people or uncivilized people or non-white people, this was reflected in the history books also. And it was only from the year 1974 that multiculturalism became the official policy of Australia. And slowly they started giving equal respect to the native cultures. And all these things which happened there was a question among the head and mind of the historians, and later on there was a book titled Why Weren't We Told, written by Henry Reynolds, where he condemned the practice of writing history, as though it was begun with as I told you about Captain Cook's discovery, the book named Discovery. But later on, people were condemned that why there were no write-ups or there were no history, written history prevailing about these native Australians. So most probably, as we have discussed just now, the reasons can be that because they were non-whites, because they were dark people, because they were thought to be primitive man, and they were thought to be that they deserved to be died out, because they were treated as uncivilized, because some of them killed Captain Cook, so they were regarded as the most violent people, and maybe all these things led to a kind of a conception about the Australians native that they are better to be left out in the history books and not to be included. So we will be continuing with the chapter in the later classes. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.